Alright, going out camping tonight. Come straight up this steep hill. I wasn't going to light the fire tonight, but I've just found this. I think it's a sign. Birch bark. Perfect for lighting a fire. So I might collect a bit of that. We're going about 2 kilometres out of the town. And literally as soon as I go off the road it's just wilderness. So I don't think I'm going to see anyone until tomorrow. Summer Solstice today. Being a druid is part of my religion. Gotta get out camping. So here we go. Just look at the valuable lesson there. Tried to go through the new trees on the map. They look tiny, but the gullies in between them and the brambles, oh my god, you struggled, didn't you? So the best thing would be just to try and get back onto the grass. And luckily now we've come across this path. It's heading in sort of the right direction, so oh, could have been a lot worse there. I knew we had to turn round, but the leg's not looking very good. There we go. Nice. Hidden brambles and gullies, not good. Got the woods to ourselves now. Just trying to find. Well, I'm saying that we've had the woods to ourselves ever since I got out of the car. The dog's had a bit of the fear. She's been barking randomly at the woods. I think she can just hear the birds. Trying to find a bit of wood because I think we're going to give a fire a go. We're in the middle of nowhere, you know what I mean? And a bit of fire makes it more homely. So what I'm looking for is dead trees that are still standing up. There's one by here, and it should be nice and dry because they haven't fallen to the ground. Yeah, plenty dry that one. So I'll be collecting a few of these now. The tent is over there. You can't really see it. I can just about see the top of it, but it really blends in. I have noticed it's got a little rip on it already, so I'm not very happy about that. But it could have been that dog, because she likes to try and squeeze under the wherever. If it's not a door, she'll make it a door. Sheltering in the mesh now. The amount of flies is ridiculous. There's about 4 midges have killed themselves in my cup of tea just in a couple of minutes just sat there. Little potatoes in there, simmering nicely. I've chopped this ready in the house now. So I got some blue cheese, tomatoes, mushrooms, spring onions, and then under there is 2 steaks covered in habanero chilies. Baby. She's on the right whinge tonight. Wait! Get away from my cheese. Food's about done. Whoa. Beautiful. I'm calling that done. Just a bit of cheese on the top now. A lot of pan swapping, but we got there in the end. Wood is pretty wet, so it's going slow, but it's plenty to keep the bugs away. As soon as I managed to get it going, the midges were gone. I thought, screw that, and I'm not standing next to that. Right, I'm going to tuck into my tea now. That's the weird thing, when you're in the middle of nowhere, you keep expecting somebody to like just walk past. You've got to realise nobody's going to walk past. We are in the back end of beyond. I had quite a bit of rain in the night. That's where I was sitting. Fire. There's my stepping stones. So, where else I'm going to cross the river this morning? Nice tip in there though. Bacon and eggs for breakfast. Mocha Choca Latte. Yum. One of these little ants here managed to bite me right above the eye last night. I've never felt so much pain. It was on my hat when I put it on. I'm going to have to watch them. Especially when I'm trying to drink this in a minute. The great thing about this tent, you can leave the door open when it's raining and nothing gets inside. All packed up, good to go now. Everything is gone, leave no trace, apart from there being a bit squashed grass, you wouldn't know I was there. I've even got rid of the fire remains. Sent it downstream. So that's that. I got my extraction team coming at 10 o'clock. So subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next trip.